Jod bura makibra Peter Orero kwa okwedo kanga mamoko kuom jod bura dhirogo dwaro ni tuono jatend Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga chudo mage mag aeri. Orero wacho ni girito mar biro kwedo e od bura paro ma ochwal gi jaod bura Magatundu South Gabriel Kagombe madwaro ni mane en jatend Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta, mane en Prime Minister Raila Odinga kod Kalonzo Musyoka mane en jalup jatend Kenya ma aeri maromo shillings million 844 mane omigi.
We know what politics is all about. Even us, when we went for Mandamano, they took our security. Me, I told them I have security of my people. So they can take their security if they want. And what we are saying, these people are led by what we call insatiable appetite for personal aggrandizement and egoism. They cannot purport that they will remove what is enshrined in the Kenyan constitution about the perks of the former president. These are constitutional matters which you cannot arbitrarily remove from a Kenyan who has been a former president. This is where they go wrong. We are saying as members of parliament, there are certain constitutional benefits, like for the former president, that can never be removed. Former prime minister can never be removed. So if they have that, let's wait for them in parliament.